Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to delete your Gmail account permanently. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or phone. At the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it and then select Manage your Google account. Now, once you're inside your Google account settings, you'll notice a search icon at the top. Tap on that and simply type in Delete. From the search results, you'll see an option that says Delete your Google account. Go ahead and tap on it. At this point, Google will ask you to enter your account password for security reasons. Type in your password and continue. Once you've done that, a new page will open. Here, Google will show you everything linked to your account, including Gmail, Drive, Photos, YouTube, and more. Basically, it's a reminder that all of this data will be deleted permanently once you delete your account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll see two checkboxes. These checkboxes confirm that you understand the consequences of deleting your account. Make sure to tick both of them. After that, tap on the big Delete Account button. A final confirmation window will appear. Just tap on Continue to proceed. Once you've done that, you'll see a successful message in a new window confirming that your Gmail account has been deleted. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.